Our stock spotlight now, I want to welcome in the CEO of CytoDyn, Nader Pourhassan. Thank you so much for being with us, because your company has certainly been in focus. It's up 80% this week. You tell us why, something about COVID-19 and what you have under your umbrella there, right?
Sure. No, thank you for having me. We do have a lot of positive results for the cancer patients before COVID-19. But now that we have injected 10 patients with severe condition with COVID-19, and we just announced that the first 8 patients out of 10 that we got the results of day 1 and day 3, day 0 and day 3 results, show that the immunological benefit for all patients. And the other 2, the last 2, we are going to get that results probably by tomorrow. So the results been great, and the FDA gave us 2 clinical trials, one for moderate and early COVID-19 patients, and one phase 2B-3 for severe patients. So we believe that we have something that is very promising, and we can't wait to get the results from the clinical trial.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. So 8 out of 10 so far, that's all you've gotten. You're waiting on the other 2. Great news. The other 2, how are the patients feeling? I know you wait for results, but at the same time, you could look at their symptoms and everything. Do they seem a little better?
So we took the patients who were very severe, the result of, for example, last study in China, 31 out of 32 deceased. And the other studies didn't have as bad as this, but the rate of disease was 85% or more. So only 15% survived. So far, in these 10 patients, the first 8 patients, we got the blood sample at day 0 and day 3. And all 8 had immunological benefit. We believe that when we give this product to the patients for early and moderate who are hospitalized, we could have significant effect, hopefully, on them not getting to the severe condition. But we also have a protocol for severe condition patients that we have green light for both, and we are going to be able to inject those patients starting perhaps today and tomorrow.
It's so exciting. You're doing such great work. How do you manage to have a trial in China? How does that even work?
So we didn't.
Do you work with the World Health Organization, or how do you even do that?
So we didn't do any study in China. What I was referring to is the study that Chinese government did in China with the different products. They had 31 out of 32 passed away. So our study is just a 2-week study, and if we can get the patients to have the immunological benefits being shown and come back toward normal, which right now we have a couple of patients are actually at normal, and the rest are getting benefit, and they are going toward normal. That's why it's so striking, the results that we have so far, even though anecdotal, even though it's in the emergency IND, not protocol.
Right. It's fantastic, and I hope for continued great results. I mean, what was your company doing, and what was the greatness about your company before COVID-19?
So our product is about to get their final application to the FDA for HIV patients for combination, and we also have a trial for monotherapy, the first ever single agent for patients in HIV, and we should have approval this year, hopefully, for our HIV product. So we were already doing very well, hitting our primary endpoint, finishing all of our trials. But when we send it to the cancer area, the FDA gave us green light for phase 2 for 22 different cancers, solid tumor cancers. And right now, we have about 14 or 15 patients involved, including my own family member, who the doctor said that she was going to pass away very soon because of the metastasis to the brain, lung, and liver. And she's doing very well. And the other patients, we have shown 0 circulating tumor cells. That means metastasis really stopped in those patients according to those markers. So when COVID-19 came, the scientists said, look, the people die because of the ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, which is inflammation. And this product is a humanized monoclonal antibody, 0 serious adverse event in the last 840 patients studied in HIV. So we thought it was something that we could definitely have impact. That's what our scientists thought. And as soon as we did that with 10 patients, we saw the results. Same scientists told us about the cancer, and the results with cancer, we're filing for breakthrough designation, which we are now about to ask FDA to have a meeting with us for preliminary breakthrough designation for 22 different cancer indications. So that's what we were doing. And then COVID-19, we just hope that we can help patients with that also.
Yeah. Oh, my goodness. I hope it all works out, and for your family member as well. All good things going forward, I hope, with all your trials. It was really nice to speak with you. Nader Pourhassan, thank you so much, CEO of CytoDyn. Thank you.